Don't tell me you're missing out on today's rush for space-saving travel must-haves. Hurry! With the Air Mini Pro, you won't have to fuss over bulky hair dryers taking up precious suitcase real estate ever again. Like, they literally eat up your entire suitcase. But this little guy, it folds up so tiny it fits right in your hand. I'm seriously obsessed with my Ionic hair dryer. It folds down to basically nothing, weighs practically nothing, but still gives you 1200 watts of power that's super gentle on your hair. The Ionic thing keeps everything smooth and frizz-free, and it's so quiet I never have to worry about waking up my roommates. Oh, and it comes with a full-year warranty, which is awesome. Don't let bulky stuff ruin your trips anymore. Grab one from the link in my bio.